Alright guys, doing an unboxing video. Mr. Kyle Lusk sent me a package and him and I kind of discussed what was going to be sent, but of course it's always fun to open them, so here we go. I ought to stick a big old knife down the center of it like Kyle did my package that time. Wouldn't that be awesome? Alrighty. Some 300 blackout brass, which I greatly appreciate, sir. Thank you very much. Ooh, some nice projectiles, some casted ones. I like those. Those look pretty clean. And then little gun is what he is recommending to use. Little note to me. Got one of those famous Kyle Lusk magnets. Oh wow, some more projectiles. Holy smokes. I believe those are tracers? I don't know, I'm gonna have to call him and find out about these guys. And then even more projectiles. So Kyle, brother, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. And I look forward to sending these guys down range. And when that happens, I'll be making a video. God bless.